A very warm welcome to the Trading Mentor. This is Chris here. Hope you're well. I'm delighted to welcome you to this video, which is going to be talking about how you can make £10,000 per week. Of course, not everyone's going to make £10,000 a week. But what if I could show you a system that consistently makes profits every day? So, there's two ways to do this. This is me. I've been trading for almost 30 years, probably even longer than that actually. Since 1982 I've been in the business. You can either meet me at my home for a one-day training seminar on your own one-to-one, or you can do the online course, which I'm now introducing. I'm just looking for 100 people. So how to make £10,000 per week as a professional oil, forex, gold or indices trader. The first thing we're going to do is explain exactly how this is going to work in terms of charts. We no longer use moving averages. We are working on price action only. Sorry, we do use moving averages on the weekly news TFI Monday newsletter and the daily updates to give us an idea of what's going on in the markets. But for this exercise, we are looking at price action only. So your charts will look like this once you've done the course. This is the pound US dollar on a 15-minute chart. This is the only one we use for this type of technique. It is very successful, and I will explain why. Now, this blank chart doesn't tell us much at all, does it? But now look at this chart. This is the pound USD, the same time frame, the 15-minute chart. But notice the pivots on it now. These are specially designed. They're not standard pivots. They are reversal points where we can actually make the most of any reversal point. So we're looking for extreme price action. Prices where they're overbought and oversold. You may also notice the automatic trend lines which are put onto the chart. We don't do anything at all with these charts. The pivots are put on every day, and the trend lines are automatically drawn as the price action moves. So in this instance here, we can see that we had a breakdown here at 6 o'clock, about 6:30 in the morning, before it went up to R3. Here we can see that we had a price breakdown on this trend line and on R1, and it broke down and went down to S1. So these charts are highly accurate. Here is the same chart again, the pound US dollar on a 15-minute chart. We've added a couple more tools. Notice the blue line. When the price moves above the blue line, this is a buy. Above the central pivot is a buy. The other thing to look out for this is divergence. I've written a book on this. You should have had that by now. Hopefully you have, and you've read it, of course. But the interesting thing is we're looking for support and resistance lines. So all the indications are that the price is going to reverse, and that's what we're looking for. So the charts are very powerful. They are leading tools that we use that give us the profits every single day. So I'm looking for 100 traders only. So it's the first 100. Because I'm going to be training you, giving you one-to-one sessions and making sure you're successful, I need you to have commitment. I need you to have dedication. You need about 1 to 2 hours per day. You also need £100 for your trading account minimum. If you have more, that's fine. And £100 per month for training. That covers my costs and ensuring your success, continued success. You also need TradingView charts. They are TradingView. If you look up tradingview.com, they are professional charts. You cannot use free charts for this. The other thing to bear in mind is your broker. If you use our broker, it's fine, but you can use brokers that must have 1 to 500 leverage. What that means is for every 50 pips profit you make, which is typical, that equates to about 200 pips profit on an ordinary trading platform or a broker in the UK. This is really, really important to understand before you get committed, because from £100 trading account you can make £40 a day quite easily. A £500 initial trading account you can make £200 a day. And we show you how to do that quite simply. So get involved. Have a look at the website and get signed up and get registered quickly. So here's the website, how to make £10,000 a week. Not everyone's going to make £10,000 a week. It's a headline. This is a headline I used 20 years ago in the Sunday Times. It worked really well and people were investing money and making a lot of money. So go scroll down to the bottom. This is confirming what you need. Trading View charts. There's the link there if you want to go to it. Fusion Markets is what we use. High leverage 1 to 500. Enables you to get into a very profitable position very quickly using leverage. 1 to 2 hours per day. £100 for your trading account. I need you to have dedication, discipline and commitment. Please do not sign up and register unless you're willing to make that commitment. £100 a month is my charge for training and continued support to ensure your success. Or come and see me at my home for £5,000. That's up to you, and I'll spend a whole day with you. What to expect? Once you open a trading account, you can expect £40 a day once you're trained, of course. £200 gives you £80 a day, and so on and so on. So I'm only looking for 100 people. Put your first name, last name, email in there and register. And once you come across, then I'll get you booked in, and away you go. I'll tell you what to do next.